Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the area for a hexagon. So it tells us here that ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. That means all the sides are the same. AB is equal to BC, which is equal to CD, which is equal to DE, which is equal to EF, which is equal to FA. And that means also all the angles are equal too. So if this angle was, say, 120 degrees, this would also be 120 degrees, and all of them would be the same. So, and it tells us that segment AB, which is this one right here, tells us that segment AB is the 2 square roots of 3. And when they say that they actually mean the whole thing, because all the sides, like FA, EF, CD, all of those are equal, because ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. And it says find the area of ABCDEF. So first, let's pick a center point. There we go. And let's call it G. There it is. So center point G is equidistant from, we can't say all the points because it is not, this distance is not equal to this distance, which is not equal to this distance. So you can only say that G is equidistant from all the vertices. So here, 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 here. So G is equidistant from all these points. Actually, let me do G in another color. There it is. So all of the sides are equal, and they tell us one of the sides. So this is 2 square roots of 3. This is 2 square roots of 3. All the sides are 2 square roots of 3. And obviously we know this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, which is equal to this side, which is equal to this side, which is equal to this side. So all these triangles I drew are congruent to each other. And you also know if you go all the way around the circle, you're going 360 degrees. So let's find X. So this is also X, this is also X, this is also, that is also. So these are all the same. X, 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 X. Let's solve for X. So 6x is equal to, you know that 6x is equal to 360 degrees. So let's divide by 6 on both sides. 6x divided by 6 is just x, and x is equal to 360 divided by 6 is 60. So x is equal to 60, okay? Since these two sides are the same, this side and this side, you know that these angles are also the same. And you also know that the interior angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So let's call this the purple angle y. So 2y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 60 from both sides. You get 2y is equal to 120 degrees. 2y. These two are equal, so y, divide both sides by 2, is equal to 60. degrees. This is interesting. If x is also equal to 60 and all of these are equal to 60, so if this is 60 and this is 60 as well, then we're dealing with an equilateral triangle. And since one side is 2 square roots of 3 and all sides are equal, this must be congruent. Let me do that in the black color. This side must be congruent to all the other sides, and this one too, and this one too, and this one too, and this one, and this one. So now we can solve for the area, since we already know this side right here is 2 square roots of 3. So let's go down straight from here, like that. And we know that's a 90-degree angle. So you know that this is 30 degrees because 60, 30, half of it. So this is 30 degrees. This is a 60 degree angle. So that's a 60-degree angle. So now let's figure out the area. So all we have to do now is just figure out this. Oops. All we have to do now is just figure out this area right here. Oops. All we have to do is just figure out this area right here, this tiny triangle, this equilateral triangle right here, and we can multiply by 2 and then multiply by 6, or we can just multiply by 12. Okay? Hopefully you realize by now this whole triangle that I've shaded in is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and this side right here, that side is 2 square roots of 3, so this side is just the square root of 3. Same with, and this side is also just the square root of 3. So, and we also know that the 30, 60, 90 triangle, we just have to figure out this one right here. So we know that a 30, 60, 90 triangle, it has the 60 side is, we know that the 60-degree side is basically 2 times the 30-degree side, right? So this is square root of 3 times the square root of 3, which is obviously 3. So this is 3. Too big. 3. That's better. So this side is 3. So we know that the area of a triangle is base times 1/2 the base times the height. So 3 times the base, which is the square root of 3, 1/2 of that. Let's now focus on this entire triangle over here, because now we know the base, which is 3, and the base is 2 square roots of 3, and the height is 3. So let's do it. 1/2 the base times the height, which is so 1/2 the base times the height. So 1/2 times the square root of 3 times 3. So that's the equation we have to solve, and then of course we have to multiply by 6. So 1/2 the square root of 3 times 3 is 2 square roots of 3, sorry. And the 1/2 here and the 2 here cancel out. So we're left with 3 times the square root of 3. And of course we have to multiply by 6. So now we have 3 times square root of 3, and we have to multiply by 6. So we're going to get 18. We're going to get 18 square roots of 3. And you can figure that out on a calculator. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Let's delete all this. So thanks for visiting my YouTube channel today, and hope I see you next time at howtodostufftwithethan.com, and see you next time. So see you at howtodostufftwithethan.com, and see you next time. Bye.